Who is the national hero of England? Option A. William Wallace. Option B. Lord Nelson. Option C. Roger Bushell. Option D. Winston Churchill. Answer is option D. Winston Churchill. Who is the national hero of Italy? Option A. Garibaldi. Option B. Fratelli Bandiera. Option C. Fratelli Cairoli. Option D. Goffredo Memeli. Answer is option A. Garibaldi. Who is the national hero of Burma? Option A. Alang Paya. Option B. Riba Omin. Option C. Anuruddha. Option D. Aung San. Answer is option D. Aung San. Who is the national hero of South Africa? Option A. Grey Player. Option B. Jan Smuts. Option C. Nelson Mandela. Option D. Nkosi Johnson. Answer is option C. Nelson Mandela. Who is the national hero of Kenya? Option A. James Buta. Option B. Jomo Kenyatta. Option C. Dedan Kimathi. Option D. Pioga Marpinto. Answer is option C. Dedan Kimathi. Who is the national hero of South Korea? Option A. Yi Sun-shin. Option B. Young Hyun. Option C. Park Chung-hee. Option D. Jung-hee. Answer is option A. Yi Sun-shin. Who is the national hero of Spain? Option A. Rafael Nadal. Option B. El Cid. Option C. Rocky Jurado. Option D. Salvador Dali. Answer is option B. El Cid. Who is the national hero of Colombia? Option A. Antonio Nariño. Option B. Simon Bolivar. Option C. Shakira. Option D. Juanes. Answer is option A. Antonio Nariño. Who is the national hero of Sudan? Option A. Clement Mbura. Option B. James Tambura. Option C. Hassan Fatak. Option D. John Garang. Answer is option D. John Garang. Who is the national hero of Argentina? Option A. San Martin. Option B. Jorge Luis Borges. Option C. Lionel Messi. Option D. Carlos Tevez. Answer is option A, San Martin. Thanks. Who is the national hero of Japan? Option A, Oda Nobunaga. Option B, Sakamoto Ryoma. Option C, Toyotomi Hideyoshi. Option D, Matsushita Konosuke. Answer is option B, Sakamoto Ryoma. Who is the national hero of Philippines? Option A, Emilio Aguinaldo. Option B, Jose Rizal. Option C, Andres Bonifacio. Option D, Apolinario Mabini. Answer is option B, Jose Rizal. Who is the national hero of Ethiopia? Option A, Dachasmach Pillay. Option B, Menelik. Option C, Sheba. Option D, Abiy Ahmed. Answer is option A, Dachasmach Pillay. Who is the national hero of Egypt? Option A, Hatshepsut. Option B, Akhenaten. Option C, Thutmose. Option D, Jamal Abdul Nasser. Answer is option D, Jamal Abdul Nasser. Who is the national hero of Vietnam? Option A, Ho Chi Minh. Option B, Dinh Diem. Option C, Rapala. Option D, Dan Hauer. Answer is option A, Ho Chi Minh. Who is the national hero of Iran? Option A, Ahmad Saleh. Option B, Mohammad Hossein Fahmideh. Option C, Ali Fadavi. Option D, Kazem Musaweh. Answer is option B, Mohammad Hossein Fahmideh. Who is the national hero of Turkey? Option A, Mustafa Kemal Ataturk. Option B, George Washington. Option C, Mahatma Gandhi. Option D, Ahmet Davutoğlu. Answer is option A, Mustafa Kemal Ataturk. Who is the national hero of Germany? Option A, Martin Luther. Option B, Joseph Stalin. Option C, Paul von Hindenburg. Option D, Erich Ludendorff. Answer is option A, Martin Luther. Who is the national hero of Thailand? Option A, Rapala. Option B, Naresa. Option C, Mumjok Mok. Option D, Nadej Kugimiya. Answer is option B, Naresa. Who is the national hero of France? Option A, Louis Pasteur. Option B, Abbé Pierre. Option C, Marie Curie. Option D, Joan of Arc. Answer is option D, Joan of Arc. Thanks for watching and keep supporting. For more videos subscribe to our channel.